Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a milk frother. This will be a simple tutorial and I'll be going over the basics of using a milk frother. Now I actually have two different types of milk frothers in front of me for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to explain that there's also a third type of milk frother that I don't have, but it's the same type of method. It's very easy and similar to use. The first type that I'm going to explain is the this like electronic milk frother. Now this is one that you put the milk in, you push a button and you leave it. And this one is by Nespresso. But like they're all going to be extremely similar in the way that you use them. You put the milk in, you push a button, and you leave them. Now the way that it works is inside of it, there's actually this piece right here, and this is going to spin around. And when this spins around, that's actually what's going to cause the milk to froth. So that goes in there, and it's going to spin around, and that's what causes the milk to froth. So essentially, you pour the milk in there, you put the lid on, the piece is on there, you push the button, and it spins, and it froths the milk. Now I will actually be demonstrating with this right here. This is actually a French press, and it's commonly used to make coffee, and you can use it to make tea, but a lot of people use it, including myself, to froth milk, okay? Very simple and straightforward. So if you take a look inside of the French press, when you take off the lid right here, inside of the French press is a pump. So there's a pump right here, and that pump has little basically openings right here, which those are going to act very similar when you pump the French press to this piece right here. So essentially the milk is going to be agitated, and that's what's going to cause it to froth. Okay, so I will demonstrate with this one right now. I have some milk right here. I would recommend that you warm up the milk. It definitely froths much better. And for the most part, you're going to be using warm milk when you're frothing it if you're making like a cappuccino or anything like that. So I poured the warm milk in there. I'm going to put the lid on. And all that I'm going to do, check this out. So look at the level. That's how you can tell if it's frothed or not. Look at the level. I'm just going to pump it in and out like this multiple times, over and over. And as I pump it, okay, you can already start to see it starting to froth. Okay, so check it out. Just pump it more and more. And when you have a lot of milk in there, it's obviously going to froth a lot more. But even like this, as you can see right here, all that I'm doing is like this. And I just have a little bit of milk in there. But as you can see, it's frothing up over there, right? So I would just keep doing this over and over. If you want, you can stir it up a little bit to get more milk from the bottom that is not frothed up there. And you just keep pumping it over and over. And the more milk that you have in here, like I said, the more that it's going to froth. Now, when I do this for making a coffee, I'll usually fill it up, I don't know, about this much, and then when I'm done frothing, it'll be up to the top. But that's how to use this type of milk frother. Okay, you're just essentially agitating the milk. Now there is a third type of milk frother, which is going to be like a wand. Now when you have the wand type of milk frother, okay, you're going to fill the cup up with milk, put the wand in there and turn it on. And the wand is going to spin and agitate the milk. And it's going to do the exact same thing that this would do, because that is the edge of the wand is going to be very similar to that piece right there. But essentially what it's going to do is it's going to agitate the milk, which will froth it up. And that's basically it. It's literally that simple. Those are the two types that I've shown you, and the third type that I've explained. Now, like I said, it just frothed a little bit because a lot of the milk is actually below the level that the pump can reach. But if you fill it up more, it's going to froth a lot more at the end of the day. And I'm only telling you this from experience because this is how I usually make my cappuccino. Sometimes I use this, but this is relatively new to me. I've been using this for years, so I mean, I'm just in the habit of frothing milk with this. I feel like it gives me a little bit more control. And that's it. That is how to use a milk frother. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.